Hey guys, I'm back today with another cleanup video. Today I am just cleaning out my refrigerator. It does get very disorganized and pretty disgusting on the inside. I do have two boys and they go in and out the fridge, and I have a husband as well who never puts anything back where it goes. So things get all over the place and stuff gets spilled in there. So today I am just deep cleaning it so that we can go in and out of our fridge without knocking everything onto the floor pretty much. And you guys, refrigerators do get extremely disgusting over time. So if you don't take the time to clean out your fridge, you can definitely get like salmonella, food poisoning, and things like that from even eating out of it. So you actually need to clean your fridge often, especially if you don't already clean it. You should start. I highly, highly recommend it. So I usually just clear the whole fridge out, then I wipe it down, disinfectant spray, and then clean all the racks and the drawers and everything, and then I just go and put everything back nice and neatly as possible. So this is the finished product. Bye.